Hello and welcome to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. We are sharing the Slimline Connected Rectangles Die. Now this brand new die is perfect and fits so great in our Slimline products. Once die cut, it measures 3.5 by 8.5 inches, which is the perfect size for your Slimline card. The details of all of those rectangles is 1/8 of an inch thick. I love that we have kind of different frames to be put onto your card so you can create a fun scene. I created my scene with the new Suck It Up clear stamp set and turned my rectangles into different shaker windows. If you'd like to see how this card comes together, click over to my YouTube channel down below, along with the links to all of the brand new products released today. We hope you'll join Whimsy Stamps over on Instagram, Pinterest, and in our Facebook group where you can find more inspiration using this brand new die as well as all of the other releases today. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.